When a restoration is too bulky in the area where the restoration meets the tooth, we call it an overhang. A common sign of an overhang is difficulty flossing, or floss that catches or tears. Overhangs can develop over time. Amalgam fillings may change from their original shape because they expand and contract with moisture and temperature changes in the mouth. They can also be caused by challenges and problems that occurred when a filling was placed. Overhangs can lead to serious problems because they trap food and bacteria, as well as make it difficult or impossible to floss. Overhangs are a source of tooth decay, which can lead to infected tooth pulp. They can also be a source of gum disease, which can lead to tooth and bone loss. Having a smooth and even transition between the restoration and the tooth is important for the health of your mouth. So, to correct an overhang, we'll begin with a thorough examination, which often includes X-rays. As you can see on this X-ray, restorations show up as white. This filling has a very accurate fit. This X-ray shows an overhang. When we find an overhang, we must usually remove the old restoration and replace it with a new, properly fitting one. By treating overhangs, we can help you avoid many serious problems and help you keep your healthy smile.